In a world where technology is woven into every aspect of our lives, unexpected glitches can bring everything to a standstill.
My MacBook just shut down out of nowhere, and now it won't turn back on. Can you help me?
Absolutely, sir. Let's take a look.
At Stellar Repairs, we leave no stone unturned in our quest to fix your tech troubles.
Ah, here we go. Looks like we've got a shorted capacitor. But don't worry, we can fix this. With years of experience and cutting-edge techniques, we're dedicated to bringing your devices back to life. And there we have it. Your MacBook is as good as new.
Thank you so much. I can't believe how quickly you fixed it.
It's all part of the service. We're here to make sure you're back up and running in no time. Stellar Repairs, where every problem has a solution and every customer leaves happy. Because when it comes to your tech, trust the experts.